Hello friends! Alright, so I just thought I would pop on here really quick to just do another fashion accessory video. Now I just wanted to showcase some really fun Amazon finds that I have purchased, and this is when I'm always on Amazon. I mean, of course, because I kind of, I like the retro style or a little bit rockabilly, the 50s, like that type of styling is one that I always enjoy looking for. I mean, I'm always trying to find something that's maybe a little bit less expensive, or sometimes when you look at the retro reproduction websites, things can be a little bit more, on the expensive side. So I'm always trying to look around for deals. That's why I always love going to thrift markets or vintage, like thrift store, looking for items that could kind of pass off for vintage style items. So that's kind of like what I always do. Anyway, I wanted to show you some just two cute bags that I found on the Amazon website that definitely have that, as I said, that kind of like retro flair. And again, I don't have, half the time I don't know how to pronounce the store names. So down in the description, I'll put all the information of where everything is from, and I'll do a link and everything like that. And I don't have an Amazon affiliate link or anything like that. This is just me if you wanted to see if you wanted to go check them out. Also, I am wearing a dress today, and I'm, it's like my normal, wearing just simple, casual, or, comfortable dresses. Actually, the dresses that I've been finding that have a little bit of a retro flair as well, I've been finding those on Amazon as well, because I'm finding that they're pretty good prices. Like, I'm finding dresses that are only like $29.99 up to like $49.99, and to me, that's my price range. So it's good that I'm finding that. So this first one, super adorable. I love the bag of this is like kind of like we call it like the bowling bag style, and in the sort of like rockabilly or like retro culture, this is really popular. And this is the other one that I found that has the really pretty like antique detailing of like the clasp and the really beautiful style of the nice floral, like even like that the little element of floral on it. So also a very nice bag that would be, as I said, in the very like the antique sort of like vintage look. So I just wanted to showcase that. I'm actually I'll stop the video really quick and I'll try on another dress that matches the floral one a little bit. But if I was just going out, I'm just gonna put this one here, I would wear this one with the dress that I have on. Yeah, so I just found this cute dress at Amazon. I'm just wearing a simple black wedge shoe with it, and then I would go out with the really beautiful, as I said, with the little bow and like the bowling bag style of, with my outfits. Because I said every time I go out or I dress up, I am someone who always likes to match my purses with my outfits. Yeah, so if you are interested in going on Amazon and like researching some more like vintage or the retro type of lifestyle and like finding products like that, there are 3 keywords I always use for the bags. I usually put in bow bags or bow purses, floral bags or purses, and embroidery. If you put embroidery, bags and purses, those are the 3 keywords I always search on Amazon. Same thing with dresses. A lot of the dresses that I have been finding, I said, it has a nice, really vintage flair to them, and always research floral, and also fit and flare. I always put in the words fit and flare, so that kind of comes out and it'll flare out just like a lot of the vintage 1950s dresses. Research polka dot dresses, even like gingham. Gingham is really popular, sort of like in the retro style, especially for summertime. Yeah, so like it's all about keywords. Oh yeah, and also cherries. Like cherries is such a big thing, and I own a few items that have cherries on them as well. So like, yeah, cherries, floral, polka dots. It's all about the keywords that you would want to use leopard as well. I always put like, leopard dress or leopard purse, things like that, when you are searching for like that retro style of fashion and also fashion accessories. All right, I'm gonna stop the video and I'll try on the other dress. The other dress is a little bit of a smaller floral pattern, and it has a little bit of blue in it, so it really matches the other purse. So I will go try that one on and we'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. So what do you think? Do you like this cute little dress? I think it is adorable. Yeah, so this dress really like hit all the boxes for me of being like really like true, like, yeah, like really vintage retro type of styling. So I have to do a video on this dress because I purchased like 6 of them all in different colors, plain and printed. So yeah, I definitely have to do a video on that. But with the pretty floral pattern, a little bit smaller pattern, it just matches this. And I was searching for, like, I just own a lot of like chunky purses, but this one just looks so much more elegant, and it's nice with the dark burgundy and the blue and the pink. I mean, all those colors are in the style pattern of this dress that I just thought it looked really pretty together. So yeah, I am so incredibly happy that I found a few cute purses off of Amazon. Oh yeah, and I forgot to mention, I did just recently get my hair dyed. It was a dark brown, but it's actually almost coming up black. So yay, as I say, because my other videos you probably saw like a lighter brown hair color, but I like it. I always used to dye my hair like pure black all the time, but yeah, I just got my hair done too, so that's nice as well. But anyway, I forgot to mention that because I said now I look a little bit different in the videos. But yeah, I'm thinking that this purse with the really elegant clasp, I love how the clasp on it. And it's really nice too because both purses came with, so you could take this clasp off, and if you wanted to do crossbody or have the long strap so that the purse hangs down here, you can do that as well because both purses came with a longer strap. But I'm someone, I don't know, I always just like to hold my purses like this, especially if I'm going out. Yeah, so I'm very happy with how both of these, this is both of the purses that I picked up. Again, this one can go with it as well, of the nice bowling bag style with the most adorable bow. All right, again, didn't mean to make this a longer video, but just wanted to do some showcasing of fashion and fashion accessories. And yeah, so until my next video, if you like videos on different types of fashion, organizing, crafts, Disney, travel, it's a little bit of a variety that I do here on my YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe. As I said, come back for more. I'll always be doing little things like this, and if you like a little bit of the vintage and retro type of lifestyle, you might like those type of videos. And go look at my past videos because I went to Viva's Las Vegas, the Rockabilly weekend way back. That was, I don't know how many years that was. 8 years ago that I went to the festival. So yeah, if you like rockabilly music, I have a bunch of videos on there about going to the festival and getting, all dolled up in the 50s style and going to listen to really great music. So yeah, on my channel, definitely go back and look at some other videos if you like that stuff as well, or this type of content as well. All right, everyone, until my next video, I hope everyone has a great rest of your week and weekend, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye now.